Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's see how we can find the arc length of this given expression, right? So first thing, let's put the arc length formula. So L is equal to square root of 1 plus, so if it's x, we put x prime square, and that's going to be dy, right? So if let's find the x prime. So x prime is going to be derivative of this one. So here we are going to have 1 over 3, and this 3 by 2 come and multiply right here, and we have y square plus 2 and subtract 1 from the power. If we subtract, is same as subtracting 2 by 2, so that's going to be 1 by 2. And then inside derivative, because it's going to be a chain rule, so inside derivative that's going to be 2y, right? So this is going to be the derivative of this one. So let's see, let's cancel everything we can cancel. So here this 3 cancels, and this 2 cancels, and we have y times y square plus 2 power half, right? And now we have x prime, but here we need x prime square. So let's square this one. X prime square is going to be equal to y square, and if you square this one, this 2 and 1 over 2 and 2 cancels, so we get y square plus 2, right? Because let's show this one, 1 over 2, then we again square this one. So let's put a square and then cancel this one, so we only get this one. Now we can directly multiply this one. This is going to give us y power 4 plus 2y square, right? So this is what we are going to have for x prime square. Now let's go ahead and plug this into this equation. So here we are going to have L is equal to 1 plus y power 4 plus 2y square, y power 4 plus 2y square dy, right? So let's rearrange this one in standard form. So here we are going to have y power 4 plus 2y square plus 1. And if you notice, this is a perfect square trinomial, because if you notice that we have a square plus 2ab plus b square pattern right here. If it's something like this, we write this one as a plus b whole square. And here what's going to be the a square? Y square is going to be y power 4. That's a is y square. And b square is going to be 1. 1 square is also 1, right? And 2ab is going to be 2 times a, that is y square, times b. So that's 2y square. B is 1. So 2 times y square times 1, that's going to give us 2y square. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So we can write this one as a plus b square. We know that a is y square, b is 1. So we can write this one as y square plus 1 whole square dy. And I forgot to put the integral, so we had to put the integration. This going from c to d. If it's in terms of y, c to d, so it's provided right here, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, right? So let's so here what's going to happen is this square and square root cancels, so that's going to give us 0 to 4 y square plus 1. Now let's do the integration. So this is going to be y cubed divided by 3 plus y going from 0 to 4, right? So let's plug this 4 first. So if I plug 4, this is going to be 4 cubed divided by 3 plus 4, and then if it's plug 0, that's just going to be 0, because 0 cube is going to be 0 plus 0, that's going to be 0. So we can just subtract 0, and here we are going to have 4 cubes. We know that 4 square is 16. 16 times 4 is going to be 64. So 64 divided by 3, and here if I take common denominator 3, so this is going to be 3. Over, I have to multiply top and bottom by 3, right? So here we are going to have 12. So 12, that's going to give us 76 over 3, and that's going to be the length of this arc given by this expression. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.